Welcome to a world where imagination meets innovation. This is Leonardo.AI, your gateway to turning ideas into reality, effortlessly, creatively, and like never before. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, or just someone with a wild idea, get ready to discover the future. But let me warn you, once you step in, there is no going back.
I'm kidding.
Ready to break the boundaries of creativity? Let's dive in. Step 1. Start simple. Head over to Leonardo.AI and sign up. It's quick. You either have the option to use the email and password or log in with Apple, Google, or Microsoft. Just a few clicks and you're in. Take this to be your control panel, your creative background. Every tool you need is right here. Next, click on image generation. Here, you get to pick your AI model of choice. You also get to select your style, be it cinematic or portrait, whatever your choice is. And don't worry, you can always switch and experiment later. Now, here's a quick pro tip. If you're not sure about any of these things, start simple. You can always fine-tune it later on. This is your moment to shine. Write your prompt. Be vivid. Be clear. Instead of saying something like a forest, try a mystical forest with glowing trees under a full moon. The more you describe, the more it delivers. Are you ready for the result? Hit generate and watch as your idea becomes reality in seconds. And boom, there you have it, your first masterpiece. And this is just the beginning. But what if you want to recreate or customize an existing image? That is very easy. Click the 3-star icon beside the generate button, choose describe with AI and upload the image, which afterward you click on the confirm button. The AI will decode it, give you a prompt, and voila, you can now see your result. You can either choose to recreate it or tweak it to your liking. It's like having the recipe of your favorite dish right in your hands. In just minutes, you've turned an idea into reality. Leonardo.AI isn't just a tool, it's your partner in creativity. And the best part of it, this is only the start of what is possible. What are you waiting for? Explore, create, and share. This is Leonardo.AI, your creativity amplified. Like, subscribe, and join the revolution. This is SA, making AI easy for everyone once again.
We've got a signal. Someone's using AI to make things too easy.
Wait, is it him? Check the logs.
It's AI made easy with EC, sir. He's at it again. He's disrupting the algorithm, making life too easy for everyone.
No, not AI made easy with easy. Every time we think we've secured it, he finds a way to crack the code.
What's the order, sir? Should we shut him down?
No, it's too late. Make the video go viral. Let the world see this. It's always him. AI made easy with SE. The one we can never contain.